Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are off to Porthluney Beach, or Porthluney Beach as some people call it, because we heard that it has been awarded the brown flag status, and not only that, it is #1 in not only Cornwall but the whole of the UK for being the worst beach. Now I'm sure this is mostly to do with the water sewage, so we're going to go along and have a look at the beach, see if it's really as bad as what some of the tabloids are saying, and we're going to take you along for the ride. So let's go and have a look around the worst beach in the UK. So, update from future Emma here. We had the loveliest morning exploring Porthluney Beach. It has been awarded, awarded seems the wrong word actually for something that's negative, but nonetheless it has been awarded the brown flag status, #1 spot for not only Cornwall but the whole of the UK for its water. So this means that the water pollution here in Porthluney is bad. The water contains dangerous levels of E. coli and bacteria, apparently. Now I have to admit I was expecting maybe more debris, murky water, maybe even some sewage or even a smell. But to be quite honest, this beach is no different on viewing to any other beach we have visited here in Cornwall, and believe me, we've been to a fair few. On surface level it seems to be particularly gorgeous, a sandy cove. There were lots of families and dog walkers around. Children and adults were swimming and playing in the water without a care in the world. So would I recommend a visit to Porthluney? 100%. Would I personally let my kids swim in the water as a local? Probably not. Reason being, I'm more than aware there are plenty more blue flag beaches within easy driving distance with lifeguard cover and cleaner water. Take that as you will. After a lovely walk on Porthluney, we went for a little stroll around the country lanes adjacent to the beach. There's a decent amount of parking and a cafe right opposite, and there is a very large and impressive looking castle called Carhays Castle. After walking around here for a while, we ended up driving about 5 miles up the road to Mevagissey, where we strolled around the town, looked in the free little aquarium by the harbour, and had a cheeky pasty. Mevagissey is a gorgeous little harbour town which is certainly worth a visit. Let's go take a look around.